Hello viewers, welcome to Jesse's Sweet Kitchen. In this channel, I will be teaching you how to make Italian and African dish with style. So please subscribe and share this video and give it a like and press the bell icon so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be first to be notified. So viewers, let's get started. So in today's episode, I will be showing you how I make this my delicious owo and yam. So come with me and let me take you through my ingredients and show you step by step. It's not difficult to make, so come with me and let's get started and make this delicacy. So first of all, before you start cooking, make sure you have everything that you need. I have my yam. I will be using half yam. I have already washed it, and I wash it with vinegar because you don't know where it's coming from. You don't know the hand that touched it. I've washed my plantain as well. So I have my meat, my cow meat that I will be using. So I have washed and sliced it. So I have some shrimps that I will be using, and I have a shrimp powder too for extra flavor. I have one seasoning, vegetable seasoning cube, and I have a crayfish powder. Here I have my palm oil that I will be using. I have some salt to taste. In this place, I have a sugar that I will be using to cook the yam for the sweetness. I have my Akanwun, the master of the food is Akanwun though, so I have it that I will be using, and I have some tomatoes that I will be blending together. So I have 2 onions that I will be blending with the tomatoes, and some cloves of garlic and some ginger, and 1 habanero pepper. You can use more according to your taste. I have another onions and some ginger and garlic that I will blend it to use to cook the meat. So first of all, I will be dicing my onions and ginger in the food processor. Add your meat to the pot and dice your ginger, onions and garlic. I will be using my food processor to dice my own because it's more easier. So after dicing it, I will be adding it to the meat and add seasoning and salt and my icing cube that I didn't introduce, and add water and allow it to cook. While that is cooking, I will be peeling my yam, removing the excess back and the one that is not good for meat, and slice it to my preferred taste, and peel the plantain as well and dice it to my preferred size. So after dicing everything, I will be washing it very well, and I spray some vinegar on it to disinfect it. So I will put it in my pot and add some salt and the sugar that I show you before, and add water to the top and allow it to cook until it gets tender. While that one is cooking, I will be blending my tomatoes and my onions and ginger and garlic and the habanero pepper. Add some water so that it will help my food processor. So after blending your ingredients, let's see that if our meat is tender. Add your tomatoes to it and give it a good stir. Allow it to cook for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add your shrimp and your shrimp powder, your seasoning and the fish powder. Cover it to cook for at least 5 minutes. While it is cooking, debone your fish and add it to the soup, and put your Akanwun and allow it to cook for additional 5 to 10 minutes until it gets thicker. As you can see, mine is thick. So what I will do, I will off the gas and allow it to cool down for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will be adding my palm oil. As you can see, my owo is ready. It's time for us to give it a good taste. So you can see everything. There is no oil on top like stew. Everything is well mixed. So let's go down with it. I have my homemade juice that I will be using to eat this my delicacy. So let's give it a taste. I can feel it that is very delicious, guys. Very, very sweet, guys. Very, very sweet. subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, share it to your friends and family, give it a like and turn on bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video like this, you'll be first to be notified. And follow me in my other social media platform in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.